Good day. For this session, I will demonstrate how to use the if statement. There are several types of if statement: simple if, regular if, and nested if. If statement is the ability to control the flow of your program, letting it make decisions on what code to execute. The if statement allows you to control if a program enters a section of code or not, based on whether a condition is true or false. Let us start by giving an example. Let us say we want to display a message if the numeric value is a positive integer. So to start creating your script, all you need to do is click Tools and then Script Editor. I have created mine, that is why I have the name of the project, Gary's Project. So again, to create your own function, you start with the command function followed by a function name. So let's say for this one, we'll name it as about if. Okay. So we have to enclose it in a pair of curly braces, and then let's declare a variable named var num1 is equal to 5, for example. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we will display a message if the stored value in num1 is a positive integer. Now, we have to test it with the use of the if statement. So the command for that is the if word itself, and then followed by an open close parenthesis that contains the condition. Now, the condition will be derived by using the relational statement. Now, in this case, we know that it is a positive integer if it's more than 1 or more than 0. So num1, so our condition now will be is num1 greater than or equal to 0. Okay? Now, this will be the condition in a pair of parentheses. The scope of the if statement should be placed within a pair of curly braces. So we will display the message return, and then the message, let's say it is a positive integer. Now, if you want to include the actual number itself, you may type here after the return num1, and then you will concatenate using the plus sign. So we are not using the plus sign to add, but to concatenate the value of a numeric value and an actual string. An actual string should be in a pair of quotation. So let's save this and then let's run it. So we can check if there are problems with our code. If there's none, all you need to do is go back to your spreadsheet and make use of the name of the function. So it means is equal to and then about if. So this should display 5. Okay. Let me fix the code. Let's just say 5 is a positive integer. So let every changes that you made in your code, make sure to save it and try to run it again just to check if there are errors. So if you go back to your spreadsheet, you'll see that 5 is a positive integer. So that is how you make use of the simple if statement. The word if and the condition is in a pair of parentheses. Make use of relational operators, and then the scope of the if statement should be within a pair of curly braces. I hope you learned something, and feel free to comment or like this video. Thank you.